In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your Ethereum wallet address inside of Kraken, the mobile phone app. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Kraken on your smartphone. Then from here, you need to go in and log into your account. From here, you need to go into the deposit tab in here. And from here, you can either search on your address or you can find the Ethereum button down here in the crypto tab. Then from here, you'll need to select the network, and it's very important that you choose the correct network, or else the Ethereum that you want to deposit will disappear out of thin air. So either click one of these that you want to use. Then from here, you need to click Ethereum. And as you can see here, now you can read the instructions. You can read that the minimum deposit is 0.005 ETH, and the processing time right now is about 6 minutes. Then click Understand. Then from here, you'll see your wallet address with a QR code, and down here you can copy the wallet address to your clipboard, or you can go over here and click View Address or Share Address. And that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!